Hey, and welcome to Alt1. So we are now going to be trading binary option live once again. And if you see this as a recording, probably you're not subscribed to my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on. So make sure you do so, okay? Also, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find the link below the video. And also you find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Now, I'm now going to prepare everything before we start this live session, so just bear with me while I do so. So just wait a little, I need to get my tablet over here. I always forget to make these things ready. So let's see now. Just so we are able to see the screen properly and can then see the chat. That's it. And as always through my live session, you can ask me any question and I will reply. There, now the chat is up and running. I will now start to see if I can find some trades. And Greg, good morning, nice to see you. Okay, we are up with Binance Coin and we see a clear area down here and a clear area in top. Have you been trading anything more? And good morning, Eternal. Have any of you been trading? If you have, how is your statistic? And which pair have you been trading? I will close everything below 70. Now let's take a look at the Ethereum Classic if you have something tradable right away. I think up here would be a nice area. Let's zoom out. I'm not interested here, but down around this region, that would be good. Let's see if we can bring up some currencies also. I do like this one. I do like this one. Let's see more. We try to keep to the ones that pay us more than 70%. Okay. I think that's all. Yeah. Down here looks super nice. Let's take a line there. Let's make that one green. Let's take it to 100. If you get down there again, I easily go into that trade. Let's see. Something up to the Arker, I don't know what that is. Can you explain a little better for me? Maybe I have not taken enough coffee this morning, so I understand. So if you could explain a little better, that'd be nice. Now we are ready on dollar against Swiss francs. That for me looks super nice down there. Oh, I was following the chat, but I didn't see you are down, but I did take the trade now. Let's see. I think I got a very good entry. To be quite frankly, for non-Odyssey, I do not have any favorite pairs. I just take, as you see now, I just take the ones I need at least 70%. So you can see if you have 378 and 272, maybe I will remove this one here. don't even look at it, just keep to the 3 here, that's 78. Basically I just go after the ones that pay me the most, to be quite frankly. I do not have any favorites. Only when it comes to OTC I have a favorite, that is Binance Coin. I have had a huge success with that one. But yeah, no, I don't have any special favorites. Now we are just 7 seconds away. Looks like we're going to win this trade. Let's see, and we won that one. Very good start of the day. I like that. Let's put that into the calculation. $78. I will move my line just a little bit. Stop, don't trade. I was moving my line and I see this one go shoot down. I always don't push any button then. And we see he closed it very far down. Same like happened here. Then we just need to wait. Don't trade more on this pair. Okay? Always when you see a bar shoot down, don't be just pushing the button. Just wait and see what will happen. And as he closed even the bar down here, we are not interested at all. Because this can be a sign that he will continue downwards, or can just be some fake out or something. But fake out in 1 minute is not like when it's on 1 hour. Okay, we can get a bar that closes, sometimes looks strange. It's not as determined like it is with 1 hour, that if you get a break below, most of the time when you talk about 1 hour, he will continue. But sometimes they do to trick you also, like here looks like he do to trick you. But still, this one here now, I'll make that one blue. I'm not sure how I'm going to continue here before I get some more tests. Okay, so let's check Binance Coin. By the way, we have one trade, one winner. I'm happy with that. Okay, here we can see now, if this will get a test that looks like this up here now, we will activate this on top, and for now this is perfect test of the line. So let's follow here now. This can be a perfect test. Let's be ready to turn this to a red one, and I'll turn for 30 seconds if it is perfect. Let's see. We're not trading yet, we're just waiting. But this was a perfect test of the resistant line up here. Yes, the bar was forgotten, but we did see he was up and tested perfectly. If I reload now, I can do that. Then this bar here will come back. You will see now. I reload. Sometimes the browser can forget, because everything since you open the bar is stored in your cache, and next time you reload is stored with the broker. Okay, so now this is correct. But yes, we did see this was a perfect test up here. We will now take trades up there. As I did reload, we need to remember to change this for 30 seconds. Perfect. That's good, great. No, OTC, like I said, it's basically just 2 pairs I like, that is Ethereum Classic and Binance Coin. I do not trade any currency pairs on OTC, because I have seen there are not enough people trading them. For some reason, it looks like there are quite many trading Binance Coin and Ethereum Classic, but on currencies they are not strong. Even if you take the pairs like euro against dollar, that is the most traded pair. When it comes to binary option, it's not that. So now we are in the middle, so let's jump over to Ethereum Classic. Let me see how long time I've been away from this line up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need the same test like we did with Binance before we can trade. So is this 63%? Then we are not interested. Remove that one. Let's check euro against British pound. Okay. I don't see a clear area that's a problem for me. Okay, here we can see something just catches my eye. Oh, let's remove this. Let's try again. Let's remove again. Let's try one more time. Third time is a charm. We can see. Let me see now if I can mark it. There are some type of trend. It's not beautiful, but it's a trend here. Looks like while I made the line, it's broken. So always when you can draw a line, don't need to be perfect. You see, you will always have some type of spikes, right? Might still be that this can be considered, because if we move the lines just a little bit up, if we're considering the highest here and highest there, it can still be considered that it's still something. You see, if you do like this, for example. But for now, it looks like he is going to break it. Always be aware when you can draw a trend line. Be aware when you are coming down to a support line in the bottom. For now, I would still consider this one active. You see, like I said, don't need to be perfect, but just be aware of it. It's only when you start to see a bar go up here and you see a leg close up here, then yeah, it's done. But for now, these spikes, that is pretty normal. It's just fake outs, we call it. And that was just one test up. That is boring. We prefer when you get a few, like you see over here. Then we can, of course, I need to admit, if you're doing trading here, it's probability that we will lose this one and even this one here is high. So we would turn a small profit here probably, but when you see bars closing high up this, yeah, we would turn a small profit, but not much. Here we would want probably all of them, because here I would have taken trade all the way up, as long as, of course, the delay is good. I think today the delay was more or less zero when I pushed the button. I've started now by every time before a live session I do a reload and make the computer fresh, and I see that have helped me tremendously. Okay, yeah, not just almost test or resistant. This might just be the resistance. So what I'll do, let's move the line down here. If we can get one more bar. Sad we got a strong bar down, so we are a little far away. If we can get one more test that looks something like this one more time, we can then activate up here. Let's wait and see. By the way, today I will try to do a live session number 2. I do not think I have anything special planned for today, so that means there are a high probability that I will do a live session number 2. For now, I'm not promising any live sessions extra to the one I typically have, but number 2 today is highly probability for that. Have not got into the mood of doing completely 2 live sessions yet, but today I think it's a high probability I will do it. Because every day is very busy, so in morning like this I always have time for this live session, but when going through the day I'll always need to check if I have time for the number 2. Now let's see. As we need one more test, we can look something else and come back to it. If someone can remind me if that line is tested, if I don't see it, that would be nice. Here I will say we have nothing. Okay, here we got the bar I was waiting for. We broke completely the trend line, and that's the typical thing we do. When you have a trend line like this, most of the time he will break it to and try to go back to more or less the middle of the trend or the start of the trend. This we see in Forex also. Yes, how we could do that? How would be a good way for a notification that would be constant and good, that you always would receive? I would like to have a better system there. Yes, now we're getting close with Binance Coin also. Cool, thank you for that. It would be nice if he stopped there now and would look something like this, then I'll activate it right away. It was a perfect test up here. For now, let's hope that he don't start to go directly up here again. That would be super boring. But for now, this was a perfect test. If he now goes to go up again, that I will be super annoyed because I will actually now I will just activate it in button. This was a so beautiful test. Now I really hope he will go down and test more times. Let's change for 30. But yes, if any of you have, have a good system for notification I can send out for people. So, for example, when I decide to take a live session, I can just push something, and all that really want to get a notification can have a place can sign something or something, and I can just send a mass to all of the people that really want to join the live session. More like I'll need to search on that. If you have a place where people can just sign up, that if you want a notification, something that can pop up on your cell phone or whatever. But if you know something that could work with that, that could be cool. Yeah, okay, yeah. So now that would be nice to have something that people can put below the videos like this or in the chat, that sign up for a special notification something, and then I can for all the people just when the time comes, like let's say 10 minutes before a live session for example, I just push that notification thing, and everyone that has signed up will get more like a super notification. Not like this rubbish from YouTube and these like things, but something that really pop up on the screen or whatever. So if you know about the application or something where we can people can sign up and I can use for something like this, that would be amazing. I'll search for it after actually. When that is said, can you believe he go one time up, test the line up here, he go down one time down, test here, and now he's going up again. This is what we call a super boring. It's beautiful when you're trading Forex, by the way. Then I would easily take a trade on here because we don't need a perfect entry. We love when you see this in Forex, when you can just take a trade down, down, and we can just collect, take profit up here, it's amazing. But when it comes to binary option, we sadly can't do that. But yes, it looks like that was just a one test done again. Now, would I take the trade up here? Probably I would, because depends. If we use too long time, we need just to have one more test up there. So, By the way, the second live session today, I will rate it at around 90% sure that I will take a night number 2 today. So it's a highly big chance. But There always are 10% that I can't. Now, let's check another pair. Okay. Okay. Right now I can't see nothing special we can trade. Now let me just check one thing here. Okay, I can see we have just 6 people joined this live session today and with 3 likes. That is pretty good. I'm happy with that. That is good. This region here of dollar Swiss francs, would I trade that? I don't like to trade the ones in the middle, but am I hunting a trade if I take a trade here? That's the question. Got a big break up here. Retest. I do not see a clear area. We do have a downward trend going. Let me see here now. I think I can justify a trade there. I think I'll do that. I think I'll take a trade there. This is on dollar against Swiss francs. I will quite easily take a up trade there. Yeah, I'll do that. Let's see if you can get down there again, of course. So today we have just taken one trade, $78. So nothing crazy, but at least one trade, one win. And that was a trade, at least the 2 that's right here. One also, so that is nice. I think Craig, you did take 2 and Eternal did win also, so that is good. Okay. Up here now looks beautiful. I will take that. I did not see that we were up so high with Binance Coin. They close very high up, so we need to be careful. Let's see if we can get a good entry. And oh, almost. Let's zoom in. Binance is a OTC pair, so you always need to be careful, but for now this one have worked quite good in my live sessions. But yes, when it comes to OTC, we always need to be careful. Everything depends on how many people that is trading currently. Oh, you did take a trade. That's good. And I was too slow. But sweet. Of course, when I come in, looks like he want to go down again. I think here, at least I will have activated here, so I think 2 trades would be possible for me here, if I've been here, to be quite frankly. So 2 wins, that would be. I think I'll just wait this one out now, to see if we maybe can get in a trade in top now. Okay, now we're going to test top again, probably. Let's see. And no, not just. Oh, he's moving very hard now. That means there are many people trading. OTC works this way. If you start to see much movement, that means there are people in with trades right now. We did not reach our target up there, but for some people there were much movement. That's the thing with OTC. I think when I go in with a trade, there will be much movement because I don't think there's so many going in with $100 trades. Let's see. That's the thing, I could never, for example, go in with a $1,000 trade, I would always lose, I can think. Because OTC, I think probably I will be the higher bidder then, and I will lose every single trade. So be very careful when it comes to OTC. Oh, that's why we love our non-OTC pairs, because there I don't need to have a limit also. For now, I have not gotten any trades. I really hope this support here will hold so we can get up a couple more times. I will not check how long time I've been live yet, because now we're going up. Now I can check very fast. We've been live for 27 minutes, just one trade till now. And no. One more time. Don't want. And we see the trend that he start to go lower and lower and lower. I really hope that is not a sign that he will go down from here, because I have not gotten any trade yet. Let's see. Okay. Still not there. We do see a trend going downwards. Mark it, because when he break it, we will get a good idea about that he'll go up. You see here now. So right away he break this trend, we can see then he will have the squeeze down here in the bottom. We can even mark that. We are not trading it, okay, it's just to measure. So we get into a squeeze, and probably he will shoot up to the line here, hopefully. So we are more ready for it. Now let's see. We will come to a squeeze here now. He will need to choose a direction, and hopefully that is up, but he can quite as easily break down. Let's see. Looks like he broke out to the upside. That means he should go up now. Let's see. Come on now. Yes. And come on, a little more. I'm in. And with a terrible entry, of course. Then let's remove these things here so we can follow properly. Let's open my trades. Then let's see. Now I just need to wait 10 seconds. I give this low. I think I'll take one more maybe. There, got a good entry. We lost one, of course we did, but I have one good entry now. Let's see now how this will play out. I think the second one will be a winner. Yeah, we got one bad entry and one good. Yeah, I lost because of bad entry, but the second I won. So then plus 98, we are then at $76 profit. We will continue trading up there. Craig, you always take 2 trades. This time we didn't. This time I did. Typically it's the other way around. No, I needed because my entry was terrible. I think my entry was around here. So when I get a bad entry, I typically, if I have a possibility, I do it. I hope this was not a break that will go down now. We just got in one trade. Basically, I just lost $2 on this exchange up here. But yeah, I'm still in profit. Yeah, but at least you had a win over here, so you are still in no, you're in more or less in zero then with this pair, we can say. Yes, it looks like we broke and going downwards. Then let's jump over to Ethereum Classic to see if we can find something there. Let's reset the chart. There. Okay. This might be the bottom. Currently we are in between, so let's this pair have been a little boring, like it's a so strange movement. I'm not able to trade something like this because we don't have any clear nothing. Let's check this pair. Still holding the trend downwards, as you can see here. Yeah. Now let's see the win rate. If you take the win rate, the last couple of days here now have been quite good. In the end trades at least. We have a quite good win rate, just one loss here. Otherwise it's pretty decent. Okay. I hope we can break this support here, because then it's just a couple of supports and we might go down to this region down here. We have traded, we are halfway I think now, yeah, 35 minutes. So that means we just have like 25-ish minutes left. And we just, oh yeah, okay, I can't complain that much, we have 3 trades. Now, if any of you are just looking, it's much more fun if you sign up with a broker and can be trading together with me. You find a link pinned in the chat. Just start with a demo account and see how you're doing first. Now, this region here, we know from the past is pretty strong. Almost. I will wait. It might be the bottom this time. We see that this been strong in the past. Let's see where this bar close. Okay, he's closer there. I've locked with it. I know it's a risky move. I was too late. I'll move my line down a little. I was way too late to take a trade there. I think I was shocked that while my mouse was here, it was down. I was like holding back. But yes, that would be a super nice entry. But of course, I'm too slow. And of course, he will go all the way up here again. Now that is the thing we see today. That is typically bunching up and down today. We don't see many tests. At least when I'm sitting waiting for something, we don't see it. Now I think I'll just make this one blue again. I got bored. I will move over to another one. Let's check Binance again. Okay, now we are in a resistant area here. It's not strong, so I hope he can break so we can come up here again. I will take trade directly on the line up there. Now let's see. Okay. Seems like this support is holding. That is nice. Because I would prefer to trade up here. As we see in the past, this is incredible strong up here. This is why I like Binance. You see how we are jumping up and down in the clear areas. Of course, today with Binance, I am $2 down, so nothing crazy. No, looks like we're breaking downwards. Let's check it in Classic again. We are till now just $76 profit, so nothing crazy. Just 3 trades. Yeah. We have definitive clear areas to trade here on Binance Coin, but most of the time we see he like to play in the middle. I do not like that much trading in the middle because I know that every place we take a trade will eventually lose. Of course, you see this area is pretty strong, but also you see this strong bars down. And as you trade up 30 seconds, it's a high probability you can lose them. Of course, if you take 1 minute, it will be different, but still, no, I don't feel for it. Let's check our first pair. Up here, actually, I will say it's decent. I will take a trade up there on a heartbeat. Easily, I take it. Let's see. Once again, we came in late. We see I would have activated it here, so I would have taken 2 trades here and both would have been winners. And when we come in, once again, we come in late to the game. So I have seen that is have been a thing today. If I'd used a 4 multiple chart, we will have a lot of trades today and a lot of wins, because this was a 2 clear winners if I've been here. But once again, looks like we are late. He broke below this support here. Maybe he breaks up again now, I don't know. But yes, this has been what you have seen today. Hey. Now I get even get a little tired when we don't get so much trades. We have just 19 minutes left of this live session. Just 3 trades. Would I take that trade on here now? Probably I would, only because we have been a long time away from the line. I know I should not do it, but only because I've taken so few trades today. You see, that's the problem. If you get too bored, you start to do mistakes, and I know it's a mistake to take a trade on there, so that's why I will change it to blue right away. Because otherwise I would trade on there. So bored is also not a good sign. Now, maybe we can come up there again. Yeah, I will jump over there right away, as you say. Binance. Of course. I'm looking at another one, and then we get... This have happened so much today. It's so annoying. Now it's 2 trades up here, or maybe 1. But this was super annoying. One more time I lost a trade. I've been all the time today. No, I really should have split the screen, but I'm scared that if I do so, that will be too small for people that maybe look on a cell phone or tablet. That will not be seeable for everyone. I would get more trades, but it does not help if I win a lot of trades if the ones following can't follow and take the trades. And I mean, good entry, actually a good entry. Now let's see. No, at least we have a trade in. That is fun. Of course, if we win, that is. Now we need to wait. I will take one more trade up there. Now let's hope we could win both of them. That would be sweet. Or let's see now. Come on. And we lost the first, of course. We need to lose one trade. Of course, we needed to do that. And come on, win the second at least. 4, 3, 2, and... Once again, I lost another $2 on Binance Coin. I'm at $74 now. I will move my line up a little. Yeah, it did again. Right. I know it was too late to take a trade there. Let's see if we get up again. I'm moving my line up again. And this time, of course, when I did not push, he would be a clear winner, right? Yeah, just because I did not push. But maybe if I push, it will move different because it's OTC pair. So maybe that's why. Yeah, I see that pattern now. maybe I am one of the higher bidders, so every time, that's why you can see if I don't trade, you win, but when I trade, you lose. Let's see now. Oh, no. Terrible entry. I did push by mistake, but I'll take one more up. There, one more bad entry. Now I'm stuck with 2 bad entries here. Let's see now. Now I just need to wait and see how this goes. But come on now, if I can win this 2, that would repair a lot. 5, 4, 3. Of course we lost. Yeah, I see the pattern now. I think we need to stay away from OTC now. I see that. I did see now the pattern. Every time I am not here and I don't take a trade, he moved perfectly. But when I take a trade, he does crazy things. It's because probably I have the higher bid, and that's why you all are losing. When you win when I'm not here, but when I take a trade, we lose. I have seen that now. So I think maybe Binance Coin is not working for us now because I have the higher bid. So now I'm actually down $126 for the day. I will do one more try, but I see clearly now that when I take a trade, we get much movement and we lose. I see that now. I'll do one more try to see if it's the case. Let's see if you get up there again. Let's see. There, I'll take a trade there if you come up. But yes, we see very clearly that when I go in, there, I have a little delay, so I tried to time it. Now let's see what will happen. As I'm in here now, the entry is quite decent. And we see he keep himself. Okay, maybe this was a better one. But now the last seconds, let's see. 2 and no. Do you see? Did you see what he did? In the last second, once again, he gave me a loss. So we clearly see that it's I can't win on this pair now. I'm now $226 yeah. At OTC don't work more. We see that now I was the higher bid. Every time I trade, we lose. You see? You see I was in the money all the time, and in the last second he shoot up, so I lose. So that's why you see every time I was not here and you take a trade, you win. But when I go in, we lose. So let's remove that one. Probably that will be the same story for Ethereum Classic. So let's keep to non-OTC now. That was very boring. I don't think we will end this session in plus today. What I will do, I will change now for 200. If we get down to this line, that is my max bid, by the way. Let's see if we can turn this around. I will read what you did right. I just see if I can get a trade here now. We are close. Let me see. Okay, you are down with 60. Yeah. So yeah, looks today looks like 100 was enough. That so I think going forward we will keep to known OTC pairs. It looks like we are forced to do that. Looks like there are fewer people on this platform on OTC pairs currently, so I'm in there. Now let's see if we can win this one. That will give us $152. I am currently down. Yeah, if we win 2 trades now with 200 bid, of course he's breaking down quite strongly here now. And he closed it below, of course he did. No, this is one of these days, I need to say. This of course has nothing to do with manipulation, so I'm grateful for that, but looks like he broke down now. This will be a terrible live session. Will it be day number 14 for me? It really looks like it. Minus 200. I'm $426 in minus today. Yeah. No, I don't know what to say. This is terrible. I don't like to lose money, and I'm not going to take higher bids either. 200 is my max. So now I think I'm like 3 winning trades away to turn profit. It is possible, of course, but I don't think so. I don't think we'll reach it. We just have 8 minutes left, so there are no probability to get so many trades in. I will take a trade on here now, of course, but our luck, he will go upwards again. Let's see. But yeah, we are 3 trade away. If we don't turn profit, we'll go in 0 more or less. But I don't think we'll get 3 winners in a row now. So this probably will be a losing session, number 14, that is, in 1.5 years. I think now it's more like 1 year, 7 months of live trading. Now let's see. But yes, going forward, we are not going to trade more OTC on any live stream. Are you talking about Binance Coin? Do you know what I think probably will work for you too on small bids like that, but looks like when you go 100, it's not working more. It looks like I will lose, as you see, I lose every single trade I did. And I were in the money, for example, this one, the last one here, I was in the money till it was like a fraction of a second left, and it shoot up, so I lost. So with higher bids, don't work today. We did clearly see that. So if you have traded the opposite of me today, you would have done good. Or maybe not, because that means if you're taking the trade exactly the same time, because he did shoot up and go down again. So, and that is the thing with OTC, that is can work good, have worked good till now, but it looks like there are fewer people on the platform on the currencies that you're trading now. So from now on, we are keeping to the non-OTC. Now let's see. Looks like we are in the ending minutes. We just have like 4 minutes left. I would love to get a winning trade in the end at least, just to get some spirit up, because I will see my spirit is very low now. Let me do that in the next live session, because you have too short time left. I will explain exactly the difference between OTC and the normal market. I will do that in the next live session. Just remind me early on the next, and I will explain it properly, how it works. When that is said, looks like this will be a losing session. That means I have now had 14 losing sessions over a time of 1 year and 7 months. Live sessions every single day. So of course it's not bad, but I still hate to lose. So I think we stop there. There's nothing I can do now to fix this. I am not the type of person that will jump in with higher bids. I just go from 100, I go up to 200. 200 is my max. When I start with like $300 down, I typically go in with $200 bids. But that is my max. So I will stop here today. I will stop on this note. I will be back again for this broker again tomorrow morning, same time. So make sure by then that you sign up with this broker, at least with a demo account, so you can follow my trades. Typically, we don't have a so bad day like this. Most of the time, we are actually making money. So this was a little annoying, but still, it's also good that you can see I can have a losing day also. Now it's 14 of them in a matter of 1 year and 7 months. Also, I am pretty sure I will do one more live session today. So make sure you tune in. That will be in 4 hours. I will take a decision on that probably a little later today. I will do like this. I will write in Discord like 1 hour before something, where I will confirm if I do the live session or not. We can have a deal on that. So I will write on Discord like more or less 1 hour before. For the ones that follow there, just look there, and then I will make a confirmation if going to be a live session or not. Okay. So with that, have an amazing day, and let's trade some more maybe later today.